Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm the Magic Card Man, and today I'm going to be doing another tutorial. Another video, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you an amazing and super easy magic trick that you can do right now. How cool is that? All right, let's get into it. Boom! Okay, so I'm going to show you the trick, and then I'm going to teach it to you. Okay, so you see, every card, is different. Every card's unique and different. See, they're all different. So, I'm just going to go through the cards. If you're here, I'll ask you to say stop, but since you're not here, let's just say stop right here, remember your card. So your card shuffle into your deck, just like this. Just like that. And it's just lost somewhere into the middle of the deck. So, we're going to try to find your card, right? So this is cut about half of the cards, about half, right? And now that we cut the cards, right? Your card is somewhere lost into this deck, right? It's somewhere lost in here. We don't know where it is. Just a snap, you cut the deck right in the perfect spot. See, look. Your card, Queen of Hearts. Yo, how cool is that? I mean, that's a super cool magic trick, right? So now I'm going to teach it to you. I'm going to show it to you. So let's just kind of cut the cards up, just shuffle it up a bit. So you have a different card. Just start with. So, what you want to do is whenever you are telling them and showing the cards, saying, hey, all the cards are different, and just see, as you do this, you're looking at the top card right here. So if you flip it over, here's the top card. You always want to remember top card. And as you tell them, hey, let's go through the cards, you see their card right here, the Ace of Diamonds, because they think they're picking it, and really, you are. So now that you memorize the top card, in this case, it's the Ace of Diamonds, whenever you go through the cards, just like this, so when you go through the cards and they say stop right here, what you want to do is grab the cards right here, just grab them, but you don't want to grab all of them. We're going to grab all of them except for one, the top card. So what you want to do is, you grab the cards, pull up, and with these fingers you hold the top card, the Ace of Diamonds, right here. So then when you do that, look, they have picked a card. It looks like you got it from right here, and actually you got it from over here. And this motion right here is like click, boom. It kind of distracts them. You have your chosen card, the Ace of Diamonds, just like that. Now that they've chosen their card, and your card and the cards are like this now. Their card's over here, their Ace of Diamonds. Now what you want to do is a false shuffle. You can do any kind of false shuffles that you want. You can do any kind. You want to take your pinky right when you do it, and their cards cover it. Right when the cards cover, you put your pinky right here. And so now you have a pinky break. Just like that. Now that you have that break, because from the front you can't really tell, but from the back you have a big break. So now what you want to do is just grab your break and just do this. And you can just, do this over and over again. You can do that. You want to make sure their card is on the top. And you just cut the cards. And now their card is right here. But they don't know that. Then you take the cards and stick them right on top, just like that. And now you're talking, you're telling them, your card's somewhere in here, you don't know where it is, but with just snapping my fingers, you happen to cut the deck right at the exact spot your card is. Is just take the top of the cards and just pick up their card. Just like, isn't that so cool? Cool trick, awesomeness, super cool trick, super awesome. Love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. We're so close to 5,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Join the Magic Fam. And I love you guys so much. And boom!